Let's make this delicious banku with pepper and then fresh fish. I have three main top favorite foods, and this is one of them. Oh yes, I actually like village foods. Okay, I love them. So in case I visit you, do not worry yourself to go and buy any expensive food for me or prepare anything special. This is some of the food that I like. Okay, but they are to tuning as for so what I say. That is just by the way. We are crossing you. That is just by the way. So I have my fish here. I am just going to clean it very well and then we will continue. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is the first time here, we share easy recipes, and please do not make it the last time of visiting. Do me a favor by subscribing or following for more videos. It is absolutely free. And if you are a returning one, oh my goodness, thank you so much for always spending some quality time with me, spending some of your time with me. I am so grateful. So this is actually sardine. Okay, it's not herrings, this is sardine. I am just going to remove the scale and then we can continue. We are on all social media platforms and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please do also follow us. Please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section. Ask me any question you want to ask and I will be very grateful. Okay, but I will be very grateful if you share to others. Thank you so much for doing it for me. So we have cleaned it, okay, and or we have scraped off the scale, and now I'm going to remove the intestine and then the gross, any part that I am not interested in. I'm just going to remove everything, and this is how I remove it. Should you don't want it this way, you can just cut through the chest or anywhere and then remove whatever thing you are supposed to remove. It is easier, but I prefer this way. Okay, for no reason. I prefer this way. As you can see, it looks clean, but I will be washing or cleaning it very well, okay, before we continue. So please, if you want short videos, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then YouTube Shorts. We share amazing recipes there. We are done cleaning it now. To prepare this, I have my corn husk, okay, and I will just go ahead and then arrange all the fish. The video is very old, like 4 years old. Yes, I'm trying to bring out all the old videos I did and I was not able to upload them. I mean, I'm getting to my YouTube anniversary, okay, so I just want to bring everything out before I bring you the new recipes. So should you don't like the video quality, forgive me, but trust me, I am so proud of myself. Before we continue, I've added ginger, okay, yes, and now I'll add my pepper, I'll add my all-purpose seasoning, salt, anything to add flavor and taste to my fish. Yes, that is what I am doing right now. We are not going to add any water to it. We just want the juice from the fish to steam the fish for us. I will then go ahead and then add some onions and then we are good to go. Now cover that, put it on fire on a very low heat. Do not go and pressure it, okay? In another cooking pot, I have my corn dough. I have added my cassava dough. I'll add some water and then add salt. Mix it very well. You are good to go. Should you don't want salt, you can just prepare this just like that, okay? Yeah, that is fine for you. Now we are just going to give it a stir till it becomes like a dough. You understand it, okay? So just keep on watching. We'll give it a stir, and this food is called banku, okay, or amokble. Okay, so if you want the detailed video, I have it on wherever you are watching me from, and please do also watch the video for me. What I meant was I have the video on all social media platforms. Now this is how it has become. Just keep an eye on it so that it does not become lumpy. Not at this stage, from the beginning stage, okay? So that you get it smooth, just like how you are seeing on the screen right now. Drive it towards you and then you are good to go. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I am so proud of myself because I mean, looking at 4 years old video, it does not look that bad. Yes, and I can see now there is a lot of improvement. Okay, yes, a lot of improvement, and I'm so proud of myself. Now I'll just go ahead and then wrap it in my rubber because it is ready. Okay, yes. All what I don't like is YouTube is not promoting our videos, but no bagawaya, because me nkoto obi anaze nti say ama me views me mboka. Yes, I did not buy anything. It's my own food I am sharing here. So if you will not give me views, I mean, I'm not at loss. That's what I'm trying to say. But I'm a human, so sometimes when the views are not coming like that, it's not encouraging. But YouTube is not for the weak. YouTube is not for those who does not have passion for it. Okay, before that, I have my ginger I have grinded. I will take some out and then add my pepper and then grind it. Okay, they are all fresh. Yes, YouTube is not for the weak. If you don't have passion for it, you will stop it. So to anyone watching me who is a content creator, do not stop it. Now I've added onions. I'll add my fresh tomatoes and then grind this now, and then we continue. Okay, yes, so anyone watching me who is a content creator, do not stop it. Continue doing it. Gradually it will pick up. No one started and then boom. Okay, some people they started today and then it's picked up, okay, for them, but everyone and their destiny. Now the fish, I added some basil to it. I am so sorry I didn't tell you earlier. I'll add the juice from the fish to the pepper and then we can continue. Everyone and their destiny, so do not be discouraged that yours is not going, so you are leaving. I would say about 90% of the people I started the YouTube with, they have all stopped. They have all stopped, but we are not going to do that. I garnished it with some onions and then fresh tomatoes and then my scallions. Food is ready. So simple and healthy. So I added the corn husk before adding the fish because I didn't want it to scatter. If you go to the typical fancy area, that is how we cook our fish. Yes, that is how because I'm half fancy and half vegetarian. Okay, yes. Now food is ready, and thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. I'll be very happy if you try this recipe because you will love it. You can use any fish of your choice. You can pair it with your eba instead of the banku. I mean, my Nigerian friends watching me, okay, or any swallow. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.